So today we're going to learn how to play the song Eggs. Now, Eggs is an introductory song to learn all 4 strings of the violin. The one right here, you might be able to see that it's the thinnest, and it's also the highest. So that is our E string, and if we pluck the next one, that is the A string, and then the next one down is called the D string, and then the last one is the G string. Now the G string is also the lowest string. So follow me. We're going to go into rest position. Once we're comfortably standing in rest position, we're going to go into playing position. So let's bring our violin out. Let's turn it up and put it on our head and slide it down to our shoulder. Now we're going to learn how to play Eggs. So first we're going to find our hand position. Thumb on one side, the rest of the fingers on the other. Wiggle them back and forth so they're nice and relaxed. And we're going to slide that hand all the way up the neck. This is the neck of the violin. And we're going to still have nice loose fingers up here. We're going to take our pinky and we're going to place the pinky on the E string, the highest string here. And this is how the song goes. I'll play it twice for you this time. Wait. So 1, 2, 3, go. Eggs, 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 flying through the air, 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 falling on the dirt, 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 rolling through the ground, ground, ground. All right, so as you can see, we pluck every note with our pinky 3 times. Let's do that one more time. So 1, 2, ready, go. Eggs, 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 flying through the air, 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 falling on the dirt, 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 rolling through the ground, ground, ground. Now, once you're comfortable with that, we are going to play with the bow. So first, we have to get our violin set up. And before we do that, we're going to go into rest position. So here we have rest position. And now we're going to take our violin out. Just let your bow hang down like this. Turn it up, place on your head, and slide the violin down to your shoulder. Now we can find our bow hold. Do your best to find your bow hold. So bent thumb, curved pinky, lazy twins, and captain hook. And we are going to hold the violin, on the shoulder, right here. This is the shoulder of the violin. So not touching any strings, but the hand will stay out of the way, like so. So we're going to place the bow on the E string. And I'm going to sing and play it for you. So 1, 2, ready, go. Eggs, 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 flying through the air, 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 falling on the dirt, 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 rolling through the ground, ground, ground. Now you may have noticed that I added something a little bit special between the switching strings. So I went eggs, 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 and then I did a circle flying through the air, 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 and a circle around again, falling on the dirt, 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 rolling through the ground, ground. Please enjoy learning the song Eggs, where we explore all 4 strings, the E string, A string, D string, and the G string.